my god. I'm okay. These ceiling fans okay. Hello guys, it's Animations here, and today this is YouTube's first 3D printed ceiling fan. I know, it's cool. It also kind of spins if you get it just right. Also, there's no bearing, so it has a slow spin down. But look, this is our first 3D printed ceiling fan. So cool. I mean, look at it. CCFC Mandarin. And all kinds of views and angles. Are you tired of a super duper wobbly ceiling fan and noisy? Then buy the CCFC Mandarin. It comes in all finishes and sizes. That's why our boxes are so huge. Right. And whoa. Yeah, let's make the video quality more better. Let's full screen it. Alright, we full screened it. So, this is YouTube's first 3D printed ceiling fan. So cool, right? It doesn't have any pull chains though. We can pretend it spins. And sorry about all the noise there. We're in my school. That's why you hear teachers, and that's why our hallway looks so industrial. Whoa, look at my ceiling fan, it's super fast. I put it on high speed. But yeah, that's it of our first 3D printed ceiling fan. See you later.